Hello, my name is Mystery Cube 7. Today I have a shorter video to show you. I've been working on taking an old PC that I had and making it run again. I was going to show it to you running Windows 2000 and playing some games, but I've been having issues with my GPU and DirectX, so the footage of it running won't make it this week. Anyway, here's some pictures of the PC, and I'll also list the specs of it for anybody who wants to know what everything is. Here's a side picture of the PC. The case is an eTower 500i. The Bestech 250 watt power supply isn't the one that it came with, and it's a standard ATX form factor, so it doesn't fit where the old PSU did. The case supports MATX motherboards and has two 5 1/4 drive bays and a single 3.5 drive bay for your CD and floppy disk drives. In the front of the case here, you can see that this PC is an eTower 500i machine, though it is modified. It came with Windows 98, 128 megabytes of SD RAM, and a 10 gigabyte hard drive. The black DVD drive on the top isn't functional because the BIOS is so old it doesn't support DVD drives. The CD drive under it works fine and uses IDE to connect to the motherboard. The 3.5 drive bay is empty right now, but it did have a floppy disk drive in it. Here's a picture of the first of the two USB ports and a controller port to connect controllers like the Gravis controller to the PC. Here's a picture of the 200 gigabyte Seagate Barracuda 7200 RPM hard drive I have in the system, connected with IDE. Here's a picture of the Celeron 500 MHz single-core processor that's in the system, with twist ties holding the CPU fan on because I lost the screws in the original fan for the heatsink. You can also see the 256 megabytes of SD RAM I have in the system, which is the max it will support. Other things to point out is the connector on the left side that goes to USB and controller ports, along with the Intel AGP controller and the ATI Rage Pro Turbo AGP X2 integrated graphics. Here's a close-up of the ATI integrated graphics. Here's the two PCI and two 16-bit ISA slots this PC has. The top PCI slot is the NVIDIA Quadro NVS 280 PCI I have in the system. And lastly, here's the back of the PC where all the I/O is. We have two PS2 ports for a mouse and a keyboard, the second of the two USB ports, a serial and printer port, a VGA port for the integrated graphics, three audio jacks for integrated sound, and a DMS59 connector on my GPU. That's all I have for this video. Next week I'll post the second part of this video showing the computer actually running and playing some games. Thanks for watching. Bye.